The Storm, written by Ned Jensen, illustrated by Terry Herman. Dark clouds begin to gather. They get darker and darker. A storm is coming. Tim and Pam run into the house. The strong winds begin to blow. Strong winds begin to blow, and the sky gets darker. The sky gets darker, and the clouds move over the house. The clouds move over the house, and lightning flashes all around. Lightning flashes all around, and thunder crashes loudly. Thunder crashes loudly, and the rain begins to fall. The rain falls, and the winds blow wildly. Then the rain stops falling, and the winds stop blowing. The sun comes out. Tim and Pam come out too.
The Storm, written by Ned Jensen, illustrated by Terry Herman. Dark clouds begin to gather. They get darker and darker. A storm is coming. Tim and Pam run into the house. The strong winds begin to blow. The strong winds begin to blow, and the sky gets darker. The sky gets darker, and the clouds move over the house. The clouds move over the house, and lightning flashes around. Lightning flashes all around, and thunder crashes loudly. Thunder crashes loudly, and the rain begins to fall. The rain falls. All the winds blow wildly. When the rain stops falling and the wind stops blowing, the sun comes out. Tim and Pam come out too.
Where do Tim and Pam go? What happens right after the lightning flashes? What happens before the sky gets darker? Why do Tim and Pam go inside before the storm comes?
Đâu không đeo cái phone của mẹ được.
Nhưng mà bác kêu đeo cái phone vô.
Đeo cái phone vô rồi khỏi nghe trời.
Rain falls from.
Hử?
Có một thi nữa không?
Có. Nhưng mà từ từ.
Ben liked Time for Bed. Written by Ned Jensen. Illustrated by Signe Norton. Ben likes to play with his toys. It is getting late. It is time for Ben to go to bed. It is getting late, says Ben's dad. Get ready for bed. Okay, I'll get ready, says Ben. Ben gets ready for bed. He takes off his clothes. Plop, plop. Ben gets ready for bed. He washes his hands and face. Scrub, scrub. Ben gets ready for bed. He brushes his teeth. Brush, brush. Ben gets ready for bed. He drinks a glass of water. Gulp, gulp. Ben gets ready for bed. He puts on his pajamas. Wiggle, wiggle. Ben gets into bed. Dad reads Ben and Bear a story.
Time for Bed. Written by Ned Jensen. Illustrated by Signe Norton. Ben likes to play his toy. Is it getting late? Is it time for Ben to go to bed? Is it getting late? Says Ben's dad. Get ready for bed. Okay, I'll get ready, says Ben. Ben gets ready for bed. He takes off his clothes. Plop, plop. Ben gets ready for bed. He washes his hands and face. Scrub, scrub. Ben gets ready for bed. He brushes his teeth. Brush, brush. Ben gets ready for bed. He drinks a glass of water. Glup, gup, gup. Ben gets ready for bed. He puts on his pajamas. Wiggle, wiggle. Ben gets into bed. Dad reads Ben and Bear a story. Zzz.
What happens after Ben gets into bed? Why does Ben get ready for bed? Listen to this sentence. I wash my face with soap. Which word means the same as wash?